Okay, so now we need to connect to these VMs from our local desktop using Putty. But the problem is you cannot connect these VMs directly from your desktop using Putty and using these external IPs, because Google will not let you do that. To do this, we need to use a public-private key combination. So first I will show you what will happen if you try to log in from your local desktop without using any public-private key combination. So for that, what we need to do is to start Putty, and you need to put the external IP here and open. Let us assume we will try to connect with the user root, and obviously it will not let you do that. As you can see, authentication method available is not supported. So as you can see, this direct connection is not possible in Google Cloud. So what you need to do is to use a SSH key combination. So for that we need to go to metadata, and here we need to go to SSH keys, and here we need to share a public key and we can connect using that. So first we need to create a public-private key combination. For that we need to open PuttyGen. Here is PuttyGen, and here we need to generate a new public-private key combination. So now our public key is ready, and we need to put a comment sort of. This comment will be used as your username, and you need to put the key passphrase. This will be used as your password, and key passphrase, confirm key passphrase is done. And now what we need to do is to save the private key. So the public key is shown here, as you can see, but the private key we need to save it. Let's save it in my documents, sort of -gcp. Okay, so now it is stored. So now we need to copy this public key and put it in our Google Cloud under SSH keys and add this. Okay, so now it's done, and now we can try to connect these VMs from our local machine. So again we need to open Putty, and here we need to put the hostname IP, or I will put the master IP here, and in SSH we need to add the private key. So here is my private key. I'm adding my private key here, and now it is ready. You will just press open, and remember I have put the username as sort of, so here we will log in as sort of, and password will be the password I have already entered while creating this key combination, and it is connected. So as you can see that the process is quite simple, and if you need to rerun this video to understand better how to do that. But now you can see that you can directly connect from your local desktops to the Google GCP through Putty using a public-private key combination. So let's do it one more time for worker 1 maybe. So again we will run Putty, and here we will copy the IPs of the worker 1 node, and we will put the private key here, and the process is same. We just need to log in as sort of, and the password is the same password we need to use, and we are done. So as you have seen that the process is very simple. You just follow the process and you will be able to connect from your desktop to the Google GCP VMs. So now we will go to the next video and prepare our VMs for HDP installation.